So I've written some poetry over the last few years. Most of it's sort of stream of consciousness. Most of it's inspired by people, specific people. Not all of it, but most of it. And it's like a fair body of work. So I've been wondering what to do with it. And in the short term, I thought I might just sort of share it online. So Insta's the recipient to begin with, at least, and we'll see where it goes from there. This might become more of a thing. It might I might improve the setup. It's on a really shaky mic stand at the moment, and there's no microphone actually attached to my phone. And I'm reading off my computer, which is down here. And at the moment, Johnny is teaching a piano lesson in the other room, so we might have some sound filtering through. But I just thought I'd share this because I haven't really shared it with anyone, particularly, apart from a small group of people. And also the thing about it is as well that what I know who each poem, excuse me, is sort of dedicated to or inspired by, or I knew at the time. I think the point is I knew at the time. Coming back to it, it's kind of new for me. I'm re-experiencing it as I read it. Also, I'm sight reading, so it could very well go wrong. But yeah, so I've written 53 poems, which are definitely inspired by individuals. And then there are another 5 poems which are sort of random. Maybe by the time I finish doing these recordings, there'll be more poetry to add to the list. But anyway, enough said. If you're still listening, this is poem number 1. Bottomless caves filled with life, twinkling, spin a universe of butter and toast and lamb shank and spring greens and handwritten bicycles round and round, history of sadness and closed cupboards, of the brightest moments emblazoned on tapestries miles long. Sometimes I wonder where this thread is leading, or if the ends are frayed beyond repair. 60 times 60 times 60 isn't near enough to count the words and worlds of moments with you, fulsome, rich like fruitcake filled with brandy. Ice it, cover it, don't let the fumes out. But when the clouds have cleared and there's just a candle in the cave, the world spinning round the flame is you, warm and familiar, and home. And home is home, is home, is home, needed. Magnetic north in laughter and tears, and hospital beds, and love. You've written indelibly on this world. The writing is here. It's me. So that's it. That's poem number 1. I'll share some more soon.